Hi there, this is Mr. Standard. Today we're going to be working on finding a topic and finding subtopics in a text. The first thing I'm going to do is model the skill for you, and I'm going to read the text out loud, then find the topic, then find the subtopics and list them both. So first, the text. Many people have heard of cone-shaped teepees. They are probably the most well-recognized traditional Native American home. However, traditional Native American houses came in many other shapes and sizes. On the northwest coast, tribes lived in slant-roofed houses. These houses were built out of cedar planks. The houses were huge, around 40 feet wide and 10 feet high. The Iroquois built even bigger houses. These were called longhouses. Longhouses were about 100 feet long. There was enough room in them for a large extended family. Parents, children, grandparents, uncles, aunts, and cousins all lived together. No one was left out. In California, most tribes dwelled in simpler houses. Small shelters were covered in earth or brush. Other California tribes built redwood plank houses. Farming tribes in the Southwest built pueblos. Pueblos looked a lot like apartment houses. They were made out of stone or adobe. Adobe is a clay mixture. It is usually made into bricks. The bricks are dried in the sun. In the Midwest, around the Great Lakes, women were in charge of building wigwams. Even the young girls made tiny wigwams for their dolls. Wigwams are tent-like houses. They have frames made of wooden poles. A lot of these tribes moved from place to place. Everyone had to carry their belongings on their backs. When they moved, all they left behind were the frames of their wigwams. Okay, so there's a lot of information here. But what I'm doing today is just finding the topic of my paper. So the topic is what the text is about. So I'm thinking about what the text is about, and I know that this text is all about Native American houses. I'm going to highlight that. The text is all about Native American houses. That's what each one of these little paragraphs is about. So that's what my topic would be. Native American houses. The next thing I'm going to do is think about my subtopic. So now that I know what my text is about, which is Native American houses, I think to myself, okay, how did they break that up? What were the different sections of my topic? How did they talk about Native American houses? What were maybe the different types of houses they talked about? Let's see. Well, I know that we've got the Northwest Coast tribes. We've got the Iroquois, right? And they're talking about their different houses and the different types of houses they have. We've got the California tribes. We've got the Southwest tribes. And each one of these tribes built their houses in different ways, depending on their culture and environment. So I've got some different ways of breaking this up. Thinking about this, I think about, okay, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different sections of this text, and they're all about different Native American houses. So my subtopics would be the different types of Native American houses. So like we've got Northwest Coast, after that we've got Iroquois, after that we've got California, after that we've got Southwest, and after that we've got Midwest. So again, what we're doing today is we're looking at our text, we're trying to figure out what is the text about, and after that we're going to list the subtopics, which are the different sections of the text. So how is the text broken up? What are some different sections of the text, and what do they talk about? That is what we're doing today. Good luck, and I can't wait to see your work.